Good motherfucking morning. It is. I can't say that. Alright. Good morning. It is your boy Caleb here, bringing you another awesome SPY pre-market analysis video. You guys already know what it is if you've been watching the series. If you haven't, welcome back to another video. SPY pre-market analysis. It is June 23rd, 2023. Without further ado, let's get into this analysis. Alright, zooming in here on the daily chart, we quickly see like we're pretty much still within the levels we already have marked. I could mark so today's low, or not today, but yesterday's low is pretty much right here already. The open's here. I could change that if I wanted to. Don't really want to. The high, now the high is a little bit different because we could move this down. And our close is relatively close to here too as well. Yesterday was a bullish day. Let's go ahead and go down to the 4 hour. I feel like the 4 hour will give us a little bit more clarity in some of the things we want to see. As you see, yesterday basically traded from level to level pretty closely here. This morning we do have this gap down. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to bring this over a little bit. We're going to unlock this and bring this over here to Friday. And we'll bring it down. We'll bring it down to the pre-market highs. We already have a level here. We'll unlock it. Let me relock this one. We're going to unlock this one. We're going to bring it down to our pre-market lows right here. Lock that back in place. This price level here, we're going to move up just to the bottom of this candle here. Could be an interesting spot for us to watch today. We're going to unlock this level here. I'm going to pull this one over. Oh, didn't mean like that. I meant like this. Pull it over today, Friday. Lock that in place, and this bottom here, we're gonna lock this one, pull it over to Friday, like so. We're gonna drop down to our 1 hour. See how everything's looking on the 1 hour. Big ass gap down, huge gap down. Matter of fact, I'm gonna pull this level over here. It's already unlocked, that's good. Lock it back, and I'm just going to tweak these a little bit. Boom, so that way they're right where after hours begins, and if we need to look at price throughout the day, it'll be easier for us to look at what levels these are actually at. I did just move that one a bit. Did not want to do that. Move this back to this high here. And we'll move it right there. Like so. We're gonna move this one back a little bit. Like so. Same thing with this one and the one below it. Like I said already, we're just moving them back so that way if we do have to slide over a little bit during today's intraday session, we can see what price level these are actually at. See where price is. Oh, there we go, moving the level again. Did not mean to do that. Boom, boom. Same thing for this one here. And the final one down here. Move it like so. Relock, relock, relock. That one's already done. That one's done. I believe these ones are done as well. These levels look, pretty decent, fairly decent. We have this huge gap. Price were to get back above here. Next place I'd be looking for it to come to probably be somewhere in between here. We have a lot of wicks right in here. We're gonna drop down to the 30-minute, see if we see anything on the 30. I'm gonna change this one here to a dotted line and just increase the color. I'm gonna change the other ones to a solid line. And you may be asking, what's the importance of that? There's really not one, but I do want to see these ones a little bit more clear, as this is the pre-market high here. This is relatively our pre-market low. We still do have about an hour before market open, so we could see this continue to drop and create a lower low for the pre-market low. But as far as we can see right now, around here is the pre-market low. It's where we kind of bounced out right here, wicked off right here, came down. Now we're kind of breaking under right here. 30-minute doesn't really tell us anything about where price could go if we were to get above this level. Maybe somewhere in here. We have this high here. We have a wick closer to down here. And we have this wick that would break this, but we do wick back up right in there. So this 435, 40-ish, 41-ish area could be interesting to watch. Drop down to the 15. And on the 15 minutes, like 435, 35-ish. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pull up a drawing. I'm gonna pull up a rectangle, and this may not even get hit today. This could be a bearish day today. We could see, or we may not even see price, come up to here. But if we do, we just want to have this marked out. Pull that up, 435, up to about 445-ish, around there. We got a fair amount of wicks right in there. Other than that, I feel like we got some decent levels. I did just see price get manipulated pretty heavily here, and I came in and opened up my charts. We've got some big wicks around here at 434-ish to about 434.10-ish. So we could be watching that as well. Anyway, not too many levels to add today. I'm just kind of moving them around just a little bit based off of what happened yesterday. Everything else, held pretty well and seemed to have worked just fine. So we're not going to change it or update it too much. When we see valid levels that are clearly valid from the previous day's session that we already marked out, there's really no need to tweak or change anything. Just add a couple little small changes here and there. But other than that, everything seems to be pretty consistent. So there's only so much technical analysis you want to do anyway. So we're gonna wrap it up here. Quick short video here today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, follow, retweet for more. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll see you guys at market open, as a matter of fact. I'm gonna hit another banger today. I'll see you guys then. Peace.